Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets here on the Vechain chart and also give you reasons as to why Vechain can see a break above the $0.02 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Vechain is trying to break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance. And the moment you see a break above that and then flip the 20-day MA into support, there are high chances that we can continue gearing up and see a break above resistance at around the $0.02 mark. And a break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. Vechain has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we have been breaking down in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has continued to hold within the minimum retracement areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of this wave 1 after seeing our 10th of July lows. And after we peaked in the formation of that wave 1, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. Target areas, I came up with them by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have almost fully maximized, and there are high chances that Vechain is going to see a reaction of this and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I have a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02275 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And once you have a wave 3 in place, then we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And all these is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And to give you my analysis on what I've been expecting on the long term, that is since the 10th of June, when we had this massive crash giving us a new bear market low at around the $0.01316 mark, you can see that we have been seeing a very nice recovery to the upside, where we have now peaked in the formation of this wave 1, seen a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5, giving us a high at around the $0.02126 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we didn't fully maximize, though we saw a very nice reaction of the target area and started gearing up over here. So the moment Vechain continues to unfold to the upper side obeying this Elliot wave structure, that is enough confirmation that we have a low in place for the second wave, and that impulse in that wave 3 has now started. Alternatively, in case of a breakdown here on the charts, and maybe we lose our red target area over here, lose the significant of support at around the $0.01798 mark, and continue heading further down back into this red target area, then that would be suggesting that we don't have a low in place for the second wave, and we can expect one more new low in the formation of this wave 2 before we can start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. And in case such a move plays out, then that would be suggesting that whatever we have on the charts is just an ABC corrective structure, where we can expect one more new low in the formation of that wave 2 before we can start getting impulsive once more in the formation of this wave 3. But for now, I strongly believe that we have a low in place for the second wave, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of this impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And as long as you continue holding within this yellow target area, then that is my primary scenario. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 47 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.